go away. You ain't about to die with no money I done gave you.
I was losing my way. Crying every day. When a real one holds you down, babe, you supposed to drown. You ain't never fuck with no boss bitch. I turned you out.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this style right here, featuring a wig from KLAIYIHAIR. Today I'm showing you their Easicontour V-part wig. I have the Yaki straight texture in 24 inches. Here I'm just showing you guys the construction of the wig as well as a texture shot up close. You guys know I love me some Yaki hair, so I'm just going to show you quickly how I installed this wig. This wig is also one of those put on and go wigs, so since it is already in a straight texture, if your hair is relaxed or pressed out, you can easily just blend your hair in and go about your day. But I'm just going to show you the steps I take to make this wig what I want it to be. I'm not going to leave too much leave out, so I am going to take just a little bit because I don't want to have to blend so much hair. And as far as prepping, sometimes I'll do like 2 braids or something, but today I'm just going to opt for a low bun.
I be going in. Bitches clearly want my life and it's so evident. Cook, clean, and fuck 'em right. I'm so heaven sent. What I look like asking him about another bitch? Might tell you once, won't tell you twice. And post that up, we be alright. See, I gon' tweet and I'm gon' fight fast. Yeah, these hoes sweet as apple pie.
This hair is already pretty straight, but I'm just going to go over it with my flat iron to smooth it out a little bit more. You can totally skip this part because, like I said, the hair is extremely straight. Personal preference.
If it was smoke, then I would say it. Bitch, I'm crystal clear. Left my pennies at his mansion like a souvenir. When a real one holds you down, babe, you supposed to drown. You ain't never fuck with no boss bitch. I turned you out. You won't catch me in no shark boot. Shot burnt them out. Bitch, you gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town. Broke it. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit. He like who you think you is. Nigga, not your bitch. Broke it. Nigga, not your hoe. Think he got one up on me, whole tiny shit like 3 and 0 twin. Bitches can't be fucked with. Hoes ain't talking about nothing.
Blending is super easy, especially if your hair is already straightened. This is an old silk press, so mainly I'm just hitting the roots with my pencil flat iron, and that's literally all.
In the trunk. When a real one holds you down, babe, you supposed to drown. You ain't never fuck with no boss bitch. I turned you out. You won't catch me in no shark boot. Shot burnt them out. Bitch, you gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town, bro.
Next, I'm gonna go in with my scissors and cut a little bit of layers, just a little bit. Y'all know cutting isn't my it's not my specialty, but I do want to frame my face, and I also want to blend my leave out because I do have shorter front pieces.
Yeah, I talk a lot of shit. He like who you think you is. Nigga, not your bitch. Nigga, not your hoe. Think he got one up on me, whole tiny shit like 3 and 0 twin.
Young got no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make this man fly like a bird. Spin on the first and
And that's what the cutting looks like. I probably could go in and cut a little bit more, but we're not gonna get too crazy. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of hair serum to my leave out, and then I'm taking some medium-sized sections and just hitting it with my curling iron. I don't want tight curls. I do kind of want that loose curl look, so that's what we're going to achieve today.
Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
And this is the final look. I would recommend spraying it with some hairspray because some Yaki textures don't hold a curl. I guess you kind of just won't know until you curl it, but I will say the higher the heat, the better the hold. So keep that in mind. I will also make sure I list all of KLAIYIHAIR's hair info in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link to the unit that I'm wearing. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.